How to delete the project in Kdenlive. First of all, close Kdenlive if the project you want to delete is currently open. It's important to make sure the file isn't running before you attempt to remove it. Next, go to the folder location where you originally saved your Kdenlive project file. Kdenlive project files usually end with the extension .kdenlive and are saved along with folders that store your clips, proxies, backups, or other assets. Look for the .kdenlive file and any related folders such as the proxy or cache folders, which are usually created in the same directory. Select them by holding the Ctrl key and clicking on each one. After selecting all associated files and folders, press the delete key on your keyboard or right-click and choose delete from the menu. If your system asks for confirmation, click yes or move to trash depending on your operating system. Once deleted, make sure to empty your recycle bin or trash to completely remove the project from your device. This ensures no leftover files are taking up necessary space. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a project in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.